Welcome to our kitchen showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular rice cookers, the COSORI 10-cup rice cooker and the GreenLife digital rice cooker. The COSORI model is designed for larger families and meal prepping, boasting a 10-cup capacity and 18 versatile functions, including slow cooking and sautéing. On the other hand, the GreenLife cooker is compact and health-focused, perfect for individuals or small families, with its 4-cup cooked capacity and PFAS-free ceramic pot. Let's dive into the details and see how these two appliances stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the COSORI rice cooker clearly takes the lead with its impressive 10-cup uncooked capacity, making it ideal for larger families or meal prepping. In contrast, the GreenLife digital rice cooker is designed for smaller households, offering a maximum of 4 cups of cooked rice, which is perfect for individuals or couples. This significant difference in capacity is crucial for users to consider based on their cooking needs. Next, let's talk about versatility. The COSORI rice cooker offers an impressive 18 functions, allowing you to cook various types of rice, grains, and even sauté or slow cook meals. This makes it a multifunctional kitchen appliance that can replace several others. On the other hand, the GreenLife digital rice cooker is more straightforward, with only 4 preset functions focused on core grains. While it may lack the versatility of the COSORI, it is user-friendly and perfect for those who prefer simplicity. Finally, let's consider the price. The COSORI rice cooker is priced at $99.99, reflecting its larger capacity and multifunctionality. In contrast, the GreenLife digital rice cooker is much more budget-friendly at $59.99, making it an attractive option for those looking for a reliable rice cooker without breaking the bank. Ultimately, the choice between these two products may come down to your budget and cooking needs. In conclusion, both the COSORI 10-cup rice cooker and the GreenLife digital rice cooker have their unique strengths. If you need a versatile, high-capacity cooker, the COSORI is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a compact and affordable option, the GreenLife is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen appliance comparisons.